too much work. Figure out what he was saying.
Did all these people come outside and you did not want to sit in?
Higher. Okay, too high for you. Getting lower though.
Okay.
Come on, show some Babe Ruth style. Oh!
Yeah! Yeah!
She's got a nice cut.
I was going to say, when she connects, it's going to hurt.
That's the goal.
Just don't lose a grip. I'm too close.
Yes, I think.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
You got some nice hits.
Oh, listen to that.
You're on the softball team, I can tell, right?
Something.
Yeah!
Yes, because we talked. So, softball team needed 2 token women. You had to have 2 girls that would not play.
Yeah, her aim was not so good.
I think Obi-Wan would be proud.
He would.
See, no, here we shake it. And then I swing in the completely wrong direction.
Pretty much.
It's low and in front of you. Almost.